Hey everybody, I'm in the George Washington National Forest. I'm on top of Signal Knob, which is at the northern end of the Massanutten mountain range. That town you're looking at over there is Strasburg, Virginia. And as you can see here, you've got an entire view of the northern Shenandoah Valley. Where I'm standing at here, this was a lookout point for the Confederate Signal Corps during the war, and it was critical during the Battle of Cedar Creek, which took place, would that be about 20 miles thereabouts north of the town of Strasburg over there. Anyway, the Confederates lost Signal Knob in August of 1864, and from that point the Union used it for their signal corps. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you all this place. It's quite a hike up here. It's about a 5-mile hike, and you pick up about 2,700 feet of elevation on your way up, and it kind of the trail up here winds kind of up and down, so you're gaining and losing elevation. But anywho, I'll talk to y'all later.